It is very, very important once you open this plastic up that you don't touch the glass. Do not touch the glaze, because your dirty fingers have oil on it, and the oil will get onto the glass, and this bulb gets super, super hot, and the oils will expand and crack the glass. So whatever you do, don't touch the glaze. All right, you can see the headlights out on the passenger side. That one's on. I just replaced it about 2 weeks ago. That one's not working, so I'm going to show you how to replace this. So this involves the low beam. This is your low beam. This is your high beam. The low beams are 9006s. The high beams are 9005s. So go ahead. I'm going to shut the lights off so we don't hurt ourselves when we put the new bulb in. So here's the outside of the bulb. You go back here. Very, very easy to get to. Very easy. So this one is for the high beams. This one is for the low beam. So what you do is you have a tab right here. This tab right here, where my finger's at. That tab, you have to push on that tab, and at the same time you push down. Sometimes they're really hard to get out. So if that's the case, you can always, I'll show you in a second, you can always twist this out and get it out that way, which makes it a little bit easier. But let me see if I can get the tab pushed down and out of the way. So push the tab, wiggle it. I'm gonna have to use my other hand. Okay, got it off. So there's the tab right there. Nothing special to it. To get the bulb out, you're going to go counterclockwise. You're just going to grab it, turn it just a little bit, quarter of a turn, and pull it straight out. Okay, here's the new bulb. Make sure everything matches up. Everything looks good. Do not touch this glass. Maybe I just touched it right now. Don't touch this glass. Slipped out of my fingers. Just only hold it from the base. Okay, because like I said, your fingers have oil, and the oil will get onto the glass, and when this glass gets really hot, it gets superheated and it will pop the glass. So installation is the reverse of removal. Put it at a slight angle. Make sure it's good right there. Put it into place. Click the connector back in. You can hear it click. Here's your high beam. If your high beam goes out, it's 9005. These are so easy to access on these. This will be the same. This is on a 01 Acura MDX, but also cover your Pilots, your Odysseys. Nice, easy room. This is on the passenger side, but you have just as much room as the driver's side. See, there's a low beam. There's a high beam on the driver's side. We got light there, and we got light there. So 99.9% of the time, it's your bulb. It could be wiring. It's an older vehicle, but most of the time, it's your bulb. So fog lights are working. Low beams are working as well. So easy fix. Anybody can do this. My grandma can do this. My 8-year-old daughter could do this. So if they say you need new bulbs, and they're going to charge you exorbitant amounts of money to do it, don't listen to them. Easy peasy. Easy to do this job. 9006 is what it takes. I just got this from O'Reilly. Basic Sylvania bulb. But if you guys want to upgrade your headlights to LEDs, I'll put some links in the description below. They're not very cheap at all. I think they run anywhere from 30 to 50 bucks. 2 of these bulbs will run you about 30 bucks. So something to keep in mind. But I'll put some links in the description below. If you guys want to save more money on DIY videos for your vehicle, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and I'll keep them rolling for you.